my baby is off to sleep, so mind y'all, I might have a... Hello guys, it's Ashanti'Monai, and today I am back with another freaking video. Y'all, I've been kind of sad. Y'all, I just been kind of sad because I can't focus on my YouTube content and it's really irritating me. So I just made some changes just so that you guys could experience the journey I've been having with becoming a brand ambassador, content creator, wig influencer over the past months. I want you guys to enjoy that journey with... Alright y'all, so I'm back, y'all. Unfortunately, let me take this thing on jury off because I don't feel like I had to freaking delete some stuff. My camera just keep cutting off. My phone camera, like, and y'all, this is why. This is the prime example. I had to delete some stuff because what the... And y'all, this is the prime example. This is the reason why I don't be on YouTube like that. Because I cannot record, like, my storage be... This is why. So today I am about to be reviewing 2 different wigs. I'm not going to review the third one because in their country, they're actually having a holiday. So I'm going to leave that one on hold. So yeah. So today's reviews will be with Toyo Trust Hair. And usually, y'all, I'm not recording all my wig reviews on here like I used to. I used to record literally all my wig reviews on here. I've done so many I can't keep up, and it's kind of hard. And honestly, it's kind of hard to be able to vlog and do like wig reviews on. That's why, y'all, I had to invest into a camera. Plus, some of my wig reviews was just not hitting on YouTube. If you do want to see any of my wig reviews, they'll be literally on my TikTok page. Alright, y'all, it is currently the next day. I'm up, I'm ready, teeth brushed, just got out the shower, did my makeup, boom, got stuff to do, gotta run errands. So I'm about to do another wig review because I did this one yesterday and I got 2 more to do for this week, and I just requested to get 2 more humans. So I'm working. So y'all, my camera is on the way, is what I've been trying to tell y'all for the longest, but my storage was obviously full. My camera is on the way, so I'll be able to literally record and do my reviews along with me. I'll be able to do my reviews along with me recording for you guys, because I can't do content on here and there on this phone. It's getting a little hard, y'all. I thought I could, but anyway, stay tuned for this video. I just want y'all to know, like, a day in the life of a wig influencer, brand ambassador, you feel me, content creator, because y'all, it could get a little hard. And yeah, I need to do this wig review. I really need to do it, y'all. I'm just bullshitting around. Let me do this wig review, y'all, and I'm gonna be right back with y'all. But yeah, y'all, I want y'all to stay tuned. Make sure y'all subscribe to this video, share this video, you know, get me to 6K subscribers. I'm literally on the road to it. I'm almost there. And y'all, I'm trying to give y'all more content. I really am. Like, I really want to give y'all more content because y'all, I've grown with y'all. I've been working with y'all since I was 16. Today I'm doing a wig review, another one, with Love Me Hair. It's actually a TikTok review that I'll be doing today. I'm going to be posting it on my TikTok, which my TikTok is Lush with Ashanti. Y'all know where to find me on YouTube. I'm trying to get my fan base from TikTok to come here, and I want you guys to go to my TikTok as well so that you guys could be able to witness and see my reviews and see how I do on them and rate them and see which one you like best, which wig you like best that I put on. I'm just kind of sad that I can't review my wigs on here either, because I used to do it on both. But until I started getting wigs like crazy, I could not do both. Alright, y'all, I just did my review on TikTok, but I gotta get ready to go. I got errands to run, y'all. But y'all, I'm just giving y'all a close-up look on this wig, y'all. It looks so good. And y'all, I just did this review. Y'all, it's numerous of reasons why I had to invest to a camera, bro. The storage, bro, it's not it for me. Like, I'm getting mad. I want to vlog today. Like, what is going on? But y'all know I'm still going to upload this vlog because I can't do that to y'all. But yeah, y'all, I did this review earlier. And I just want to give y'all more content on reviews and stuff. Since I haven't been able to. I got so many reviews going on. Come on, get in this car. I got so many reviews. Look how you coming out the house. You need a hat. You're not about to come out the house like this with me, y'all. She would not get her hair done earlier. And I'm in a rush. I'm going to get in the car. Alright, y'all. I'm about to hit the road, but I'm going to be right back with y'all. I got to do hair when I get home. Get these kids settled down. Let them go outside and play. So, yeah, y'all. Stay tuned for this vlog. I'm definitely wanting to make my unboxing my camera video. I want to put this in with this vlog because I know it'll be nice. But yeah, y'all, I just want to give y'all some looks at the reviews that I've been having going on and give y'all an update. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright, y'all, I'm back. And I told y'all I was about to be running errands. So, like, right now, I'm with my mom at the store for my grandma. But I'm cool running errands, y'all, because I got to get out the house. I got to look good outside, too, you know. But, yeah, y'all, I want y'all to give me a rate on this wig in the comments. Rate from 1 to 10. You guys, so today I'm going to be doing a YouTube video. And I'm going to show y'all on what it is on. So, you guys, as you can see, I got my camera. And y'all, I am so excited. So this is the charger. And this is the box that it comes in. And the camera I got it off TikTok. Alright, you guys. So this is my new camera that I just got off a TikTok shop. It comes with 2 lenses. This is the bigger one. I'm going to show you guys how it looks with it on there. Also, I'm going to show you guys how the camera looks. The only thing I feel like I have to work on is the sound, which I am going to get a speaker. It comes with 2 batteries, which I got my batteries charging, so I'm going to show you guys that. And I think this is a stand, if I'm not mistaken. Or is it to cover the lens? But, okay, let me just pull this camera out and show y'all how it looks. So, I really didn't mean to get a camera anyways because I don't be having enough storage. Oh, and it comes with like a handle band so that you could carry it around. But I don't be having no storage. And y'all, I'm going to put the link to this camera in the description below. But I want to just show you guys like how it looks when it turns on. So, let me turn this thing on. I know I charged it. I charged it last night so that I could make a video for you guys. Is this the right button? So you guys, I do not think that my camera is charged. I know I charged the batteries last night, but I don't know if the camera has charged. So I'm about to go charge the camera because the batteries, I'm thinking like, you know me? Because I want to show you guys the setup of this camera. And it was literally only just 69 bucks. And I want to show you guys the detail. Oh, and y'all, it also flips. It flipped too. So, it flipped. And this is a good thing because, y'all, I was running out of storage on my phone. The only thing I feel like I have to work on with this camera, like I said, is the sound. Honestly, personally, I'm just going to get a mic for the sound. I feel like just getting a mic off a TikTok shop would be wonderful just for the sound, just so that you guys could hear me. But the camera, like the viewing, the image, what else do I gotta say? It's really clear. Everything is really clear. The only thing that I feel like is off is literally the sound. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to put this thing on a charger so you guys could see how it looks being set up. Don't mind my dresser because I was literally cleaning and I'm still cleaning. I just want to show you guys what's going on. But I have my batteries right here and I'm about to put my battery in my camera so that you guys can see how it's set up. And you guys, this camera is also a blue, well, it has Wi-Fi on it. It has built-in Wi-Fi, and you also could like Bluetooth and stuff. It's literally a digital camera, and I literally got it for literally cheap. So I just want to show you guys how it is when it's set up, y'all. Don't mind my daughter's gnome that we painted. We literally recently painted these gnomes. And I had a bear, she had a gnome, and we did it for Valentine's Day. So yeah. Okay, so look. So this is how it looks when it's cutting on. It's going to say welcome. And you guys, I'm so excited that I got a camera because I just really wanted to give you guys more content. Lately, I've been having to buy storage. The only thing I got to work on is getting a new phone, another phone. Not a new phone, but another phone because I'm going to keep this phone. But that's the only thing I got to work on because I like editing my videos off of my phone. Like, it'll be amazing to have a computer because my brother has an Apple computer. But I'm like a edit my videos off of my phone type of girl. I feel like it's much easier. So, the camera do flip, and as y'all can see, my dresser and everything on it. I hope it don't look a mess, cause y'all, I got my comb right here, my makeup, all that stuff. But this camera is really, really clear. And y'all, I'm about to turn my camera on my phone so that you guys could see how clear it is. I'm gonna do like record some stuff of me so you guys could see how it look, how like I look on the camera, so you guys could be able to see how clear the camera is so that you could purchase it, because 9 times out of 10 it's an amazing camera. I feel like it's really, really amazing for YouTube, especially beginners. Some people be thinking you have to spend $300 to $400 on cameras. Honestly, I was amazed after I started collaborating with TikTok and started getting like free samples and getting commission off of TikTok. Cause you guys know I started collaborating with Timu, is it Timu or Timu? You say Timu. I started collaborating with Timu, and then I went to Amazon, and now I'm with TikTok. I just got a lot of like collaborating brands, and got a lot of brands just getting in touch with me that I'm amazed and I'm excited and I'm happy, and I want you guys on YouTube to be able to come along this journey with me. So that's why I got a camera. Okay, so it says welcome. It just cut back on. Okay, so you got your menu button right here, and then it shows like all the stuff that you could do with the camera. So you could record in slow motion, and then it shows you that you could also use a filter on the camera, and also you could zoom in, zoom out. I'm gonna show you that here in a sec. But it's really a lot with this camera, and I feel like it's high tech. And it was literally just 69 bucks. So it's going to come in handy for like trips and stuff, and when I want to do outing videos. So also it has Wi-Fi on there. So I'm going to turn the Wi-Fi on. And there's a specific app that you need. Y'all know this is my code. I can't show y'all my Wi-Fi code. But it comes with like a QR code, and then it shows you like the Wi-Fi that to choose to use the camera, and then the password that you use, and then it says if you want to turn off the Wi-Fi, you could press right to turn it off. But y'all, I'm about to hook my camera up to my phone so that I could show y'all the footage on my camera, so you guys can see the raw footage, how it looks on the camera, zooming in, zooming out, and yeah, let me get started with that. So you guys, this is the second lens that I put on. I feel like it gives it like a blur in the back. It gives more like a blur in the back, which this is like a good lens for like if you're taking pictures, if you're at a wedding, like, you know, a different type of setting. So yeah, I feel like it gives me like that blur look. I feel like it looks so nice. Like, this is like raw, uncut footage. And I need one of those tripods because my arm is getting tired. But yeah, y'all. So I want to show y'all the rest of like how this camera works and what I need to use for it. The app that you need. Just in case you're thinking about purchasing this camera, everything will be in the link in the description below. So look out for that link. Like, stay tuned for that link. Um, Make sure you pay attention to the description because that's where all the information will be. My hair reviews, like the wigs that I have. Pay attention to that description, literally. Okay, you guys, that was the end of this video, and I hope you guys really did enjoy. Right now I am still setting up my camera, and I'm practicing on it to get used to it. Like I said, I am going to get a tripod, a mic, and it's something else I feel like I need for my camera, so that I could start filming on my camera more. I wanted to give you guys like a quick look and a quick update on how I've been doing, and show you guys some of the products I've been reviewing, show you guys the camera, show you guys how reasonable it is. So if you guys wanted to order it, I am going to put my ad code on here so that if you do order, you could get some off of your product. So that will be in the link below as well. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'm going to be practicing on this so I could bring you guys content on my camera.